Here's the big BC snowstorm. It's coming down pretty good. Can you see? Can you sense it? It's coming down pretty good. It's been snowing non-stop since I picked up the kid from school. I'd show you what I got in the bag down here, but I got a bunch of more Christmas gifts. This blizzard isn't stopping me from Christmas shopping, I tell you. People are probably wondering what the hell I'm doing, but what the hell am I doing? Enjoying some snow. Look at. I don't know if you can see it or not. I don't know. It's fucking dumping though. Let's stop here. I don't know if I'm gonna make it home. There's one blizzard, boy. Woohoo! It's pretty cool though. Showing you what it's all about. The struggle. Oh, I'm gonna get splashed. Oh shit! Woo! Lucky. I almost got her. All right, another big rig. Just no. Love it. Hope it doesn't stop. Bring it. Stomp my feet a bit. Look at that. Down here. This is where I gotta go. Down there. Ciao.